Alright, how's it going, guys? Here we are, Tuesday 9th of July, and we're on a little job. We've got a little job to do. We've got to replace a few stumps. We're replacing this one here, which is around 6 foot high out of the ground, so it should be another 2 feet in. And we've got to cut the concrete around the outside to neaten it up so it makes a nice neat mark. We've got a little pencil mark there that Frank's put in, pencil mark there. He's already cut that one, so we've just got to cut there, and then we can jackhammer that concrete out before we start worrying about trying to pull the stump out. You can see why she's having a problem, a bit of cancer, a bit of rust cancer. Okay, as the post was not put into concrete all the way, and the water's coming up the steel reinforcing it's in the post. We've got another 2 posts to do over here. Same thing, a bit of cancer as they blow apart from the wire that's stuck in the ground. Now these posts are poured on site, so they stick the wire into the ground and then they pour the concrete around it. They're all done with moulds, as you see there. Mould comes up from there up. These are little shorties, little 2-footers, another 2 feet in the ground. And of course, because it's retainer wall, they've been dug around, so they need replacing anyway. But that's the steel with the rust coming up the steel wire and just blowing the concrete away. Okay, we're replacing these with 75 by 75 by 5mm steel posts to make it easy and keep the price down, because concrete's dearer. And yeah, we're going to get into that. We'll show you along the way how we do it. So if you guys are having the same problem, you want to do it yourself, you can do that by checking out what we've got here on the video. Alright, this is just a short one, just a preliminary start, and we'll get going, Dita and Frank here, to take these out, and we'll get these out today, and hopefully put the others in tomorrow. And if you would please, where are we? You see that little red thing on the side there? It says subscribe. Come on, give us a go. Help us out as we try and build this channel. Hit the subscribe button, press the like, and we're going to try and build this channel again. I've been holding off for a while. Got a little bit annoyed at YouTube, but I can't do that anymore. I've got to get a knuckle into it. I'm 60 and I can't do this for many more years. It's just too hard. So I'm going to build this channel up. I'm a jack of all trades, so there's going to be a lot of different stuff on this channel until I finally get around to separating it all and making a few different channels. But stick with us as things get more and more exciting, and we show you how to do a lot of different things. Okay, and yeah, talk to you soon. Thanks, guys. See ya.